This right here is the TT09 from Ulanzi. It's the VideoGo tripod. This specific one has the Falcon F38 quick release head plate. So this one is great because you get, those plates that just snap in, and you can also lock them on this spot. So when you put the camera in, which I'm using the camera now, so I can't demonstrate it, but the camera just snaps into place really easily. You get a bunch of these kind of mounts. You can go from like accessory to accessory that quickly on your camera. And I love that, you can lock it into place so it doesn't accidentally get bumped. It's a really good system, really brilliantly designed. This is carbon fiber. Look how beautifully crafted this thing is. It is amazing. It has that carbon fiber look to it. It's just like, when you have this in your hands, you understand like how quality this is. You don't understand until you have this, like when it's in your hands, you're proud of this. You're like, this is my tripod for now until like forever. This thing's so good. It's not gonna be something that breaks easily. I do like that it's not twist legs, so you have these kind of locking legs, so you can easily lock them in different heights. But also just like when you want to close them all up, you do that and it's done that fast. The other thing I like about it is it has that hook on the bottom, so if you want some kind of counterweights to kind of hold them down, you have your backpack. You can hang your backpack with a bunch of gear in there, so that will be a great place to put that. Also, if you're on uneven surfaces, this comes up, like all the legs can do that, where you can adjust it to different like uneven surfaces, if it's a hillside or even like on stairs or something like that. The ball head is amazing. The arm here, this got like a spring-loaded fluid feel to it, so you can pan and tilt with like precision, so it's not like, oops, accidentally like jerked it. Like you feel like it feels like magic. Really, it's so good. You'll love it. So that's amazing as well. The ball head on the top is really nice, and you can also put this down low to the ground, and you can get it up really high. So TT09 with the Falcon quick release plate. This thing is beautiful. You'd be so happy you had it, especially if you like to be able to quickly change between different plates. I should also mention there's a secret tool handle in here, so you have tools to access all these spots. So that's a really cool feature. Highly recommend this if you are wanting to step up your game, and I think you should because you're watching this. So thanks so much for watching.